Hey, NASDOG, where you get the best dope on the markets. I am your host, Alan Palmer. We're going to talk stocks here today, okay? This is going to just be about, we'll probably go through 50 stocks here, and this is my stock page. Oh, yeah, we should check the Hang Seng also. NVIDIA here, okay, well, we're going to start up here. I got some quantum computing stocks here. We'll start here with Planetar, okay? We're just going to go look at the charts here, okay? And see if, there's any kind of comment here. I got no comment here. What was this? The Brazilian Real? Okay, this is the Brazilian Real. Let's page up here. Okay, oops. Hang on a second. Where was Planetar? Okay, 118. Yeah, let's go here. Oh, okay. Let's go to the quantum stocks. Okay, so we got, this is Rody Computing here. This was an alibi here. This is how look at this. This is why you got to get out. When you get under this is a buy, okay? Here you're running a 7 here. You're running a pattern here, and then you go with the diamonds. 1, 2, 3, okay? Nothing to say here. You can't come up here. As a matter of fact, something else. Cattle's doing that right now. This is D-Wave Quantum here. Oh, look at this here. What was the low here? 1275. Okay, look. These are programmed in here, okay? I don't really do this study here, but this is here, hang on a second. Let me move it over here. Okay, so this is right here. This is our column right here. This would be a orange buy here. This would be a green buy, orange buy, thin olive, thick olive here. Okay, so that's that one here. What do we got? Ono. Okay, this is an olive oil. Oh man, jeez Louise, 27. Holy camole, $20 bounce. Okay, so this would be it, and oh, here you go. Okay, on the way down, right here. This is live. Okay, green buy. Okay, and then here. What is this, a weekly? This is what it is, a weekend event, and here they decide to push farther. Here you go down to the olive, you come back, they suck it back up to the orange buying. Okay, I'm just giving you a little here. You get down here, you come back, and what do we got here? So this is I've got a smaller olive line, okay, because it ends over here, and then I got something longer here. So here, the longer one would be the orange here. This is quantum computing here. Let's go to equity. Okay, now we're going to go, and these are all in sequence here. So we'll just, okay, all right, here. This is the Nifty 50 here. This is the Indian index here. I have March 9th. This was the day when the crude oil went up to 120, and I was like, okay, India, all these countries are absolutely hosed, okay? And listen, this market came back. Look at this. We it just came back here. What was this, 2 weeks ago? So, but they're hosed, okay? They're really in a bad position. Here's Meta here. Oh, yeah. You know what? I've got one client here that actually uses these. This is an olive buy here. And actually, this is of the green here, the big sequence on the way back up, okay? So these are all part of the sequence here. This is the only sequence I have right here, okay? So, and then that's Nifty. Let's go to the next one here. Okay, this looks like China stuff. Okay, you could pause this. Here's the Hang Seng. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is a bar chart in the Hang Seng. Look at this. Holy. Oh, this is a monthly. I'm sorry. This is a monthly. No, this is a monthly. But here you got the diamonds, and this is the same kind of thing. Hang Seng. These guys really are going to be sweating bullets here because of the high crude oil price, because they don't produce any, unlike the United States. Here's Rivian. Here's China here. Same kind of thing here. You just miss these olive lines here. You're coming up to this, whatever this is, 57.26. Okay, another 60 cents over today's high, or the last week's high. Let's go to the next one. Okay, that's another Meta here. See right here. Olive buy, and then you go up there. This is Applied Digital. Look at this thing running these diamonds. Caterpillar. This is a monthly chart, okay? Intel. Oh, here's Intel here. This was this one. Look at this thing. Up about $20 here. They got a lot, apparently, you got a lot of big shorts in there. This is Boeing. Regeneron right there. You had an orange support there. What do we got? Carnival. Here's Carnival Cruise. Here, you're under this olive, and then you can do this. Oh, this is a monthly. So that's just a real big picture there. This Chase. Here, let's just go look at these banks here. What do I got here? Hang on a second here. It's trying to do that. Okay, let me go to a different. Let me get a trend line here because that one. Okay, so this is JP Morgan Chase here. Hang on a second here. Let's go. Where are we coming from here? Well, that's the chart here. Okay, I'm not going to do say anything on that here. Dragonfly, okay, came down to an orange support. You know, these are just charts and these are just levels here. Here's Tesla. You know what? Here, I got Tesla. Look at this. How about Tesla Amazon? Okay, here, let's take a look at it, okay? There would be traders that might do that here. This isn't clean at all here, but that's just a chart here. Okay, here's Zoom. Okay. Food and drug retailers. Google over here. Let's just go take a look at Google. You know, look at this. You're at all-time highs. And when I have two sets like that, I'm unsure. This is the ASE Technology Holding. Wow, look at this thing. Holy camole. Diamond, diamond, diamond. This is a monthly chart. Hang on a second here. Let's just look for a weekly here just for... Okay, here, should we go through these real fast? Oh, there's Bolsonaro. That's a bank, Banco Santander. Here you got, this is this mine company. Now, this is a monthly here. When was this? Oh, this was in February. This was in February, right before March 9th. Okay, see that? The miners. Okay, so here you went from an orange down to a red. Wow, that's pretty perfect. This is here, red, green, orange, thin olive, thick olive. Okay, let's just run through here's, this is the semiconductor index. Okay, you've been hearing a lot about this. Apparently, this is the best performance ever here. The fastest, look at this. This is on a weekly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you broke before you launched. Look at this. It's like somebody was sucking up all of the selling there. And then look at this. You come down and then here. Now you go. Semiconductor, another one. Petrobras. Oh, okay. This is Petrobras. Here we go. I do have, I got another guy. I got a client here. Actually, he's a floor trader, was a floor trader. And he trades these things, just small. And the Petrobras, this is a monthly here. Let's go look at it on a weekly. Okay. All right. Look at that. See that pink? That's programmed in there. Okay. This is CQG charts. You can see another one over here. Okay. Here's a little one here. Here's a little one here. Actually, boy, they're all, you don't get over there. When you finally do get over that. Oh, look at that. That was a hook. I was going to say when you get over this. Okay. And then you just go. So here we got okay. Right. Oh, look at this. This is outside up. Look, okay. I have another client that said, if I had $1 for every time there was an outside up into an olive line sell, this is an outside up into an olive line sell, 1952, Petrobras. Okay, nobody's going to trade that. Maybe you might. FedEx, here's FedEx. Here's Lie Auto. Oh, yeah, what's NRO? Is this? This is Neo again. Okay, I got that on another chart. Oh, here's UPS. I don't know. It sounds like I don't know. These guys, I don't know. No comment. If you need to know a little bit more, here's Home Depot. Okay, and then let's go look. Walgreens is stopped. And then here's the CME. Okay, this would be how targets would work. They're not necessarily short sales, but when you get over this olive, look at this, man. Look at this. Here, you go deep and come back under that olive. Hang on to the orange there. Oh, this is a monthly. The lesson here is the charts all are like fractal. They do the same patterns And it's the wildest thing. Those are the data scientists that figure out the innards. What I figure out are just the levels, okay? And if you are looking here, you get look at this, boy, how this violated, you know? That's why it was so big. And then here, oh man, look at that, right off that olive here over here. And then you do this. This is target 1, target 2. Let's go to the next page. This is IBM. Wow, look at that. Same kind of thing here. Okay, I don't have any interest in this, you know. My dad used to work for IBM, so, you know. And it's one of the Dow stocks. Target, what, did we hit it? 324.90. It's unable. If you had it at 95, it's unable at 324. Here we are at 232. Interesting. What was this? What's that other chart on here? I'm looking for these tabs here. Exxon. Okay, this is Exxon. This is the same kind of thing here. What is this? Here's some olives down here. Oh, okay. So this is an olive cell. Okay, you get over it, and we've seen this. They just use it as pivots because it is in violation. Anyway, we split the targets there. This is Exxon, and here's Echelon. Okay, what is this? An electricity provider? Okay, this is, you know, it's all I got here. You got a double top up there. Let's go to the next chart here. I know we're on 11.5 minutes here. That's implied volatility. Okay, here's a biotech. Oh, look at the biotechs. Oh, there was an olive there. That must have been the last time I was looking at this. Oh, earlier this year. Just a little olive line there. And now here all of a sudden, and this might be because these guys, Trump has strong-armed these guys into giving discounts, or we're not going to pay more than the Europeans pay. Here's iShares, Biotech, BNTX. Oh, here, look at this. Okay. Oh, okay, that's the beginning of since the stock traded. You know, if that's your stock and you need a comment, get a hold of me. ARP at NASDOG. Here's Gilead. Is that how you pronounce it? Okay, nothing to say there. That's just old, you know. It's and I think this is about it. Okay, here's Illinois Tool Works. Some monthly here too. EOG. Here you got it. You know what? Here Comcast. What's Comcast? Yeah, everybody's cutting the cord there. Deere, John Deere. Okay. It's kind of. And Dover. And if you wanted one of these charts with all my indicators on there, we could work it out. I don't know, you know, for levels. You know, they have to be the cost of, I don't know, dinner, the nice dinner somewhere. Okay, and I can put the bells and whistles on it. Here, see like these X's right here? What is this? Oh, this is a 3-minute. Okay, here, this is Rumble, actually. You might be viewing this on Rumble. So, that same guy, okay, and I'm telling you, he trades small in these things, but he was buying this, and we had talked like about a week and a half ago, and he's like, man, that Rumble just looks like, and so anyway, so here we have this this stock. They're trying to put these guys out of business. Rumble is a great brand. It's good. It's like YouTube. Anyway, so here we got I'll buy, okay, and we see that right here because they'll have stops back here under here. Here, let me show you something else that's interesting, and this is a small stock. Look at this one we got under this olive line. They sucked up the selling right back here without spooking anybody. This is at $4.91 a share. Okay, and then here, because it's a new low, you open lower, okay, and then you do that. And then here you come down here. I don't know what to say here, you know. I mean, you know, but it is a good company. So here, we were up, we just had one of these days, we were up $1. I think this must have been the day. And let me take off that little line there. But that would be a way to, let me clean that up a little bit. Okay, and then here, I don't know, you know, you have a leap of faith. What was this low last time down? 490. 491. Okay, this is old data, okay? This is, and what do we got here? Here's Costco, just at Costco today. Oh yeah, we had a little olive line. I don't know know if we hit 35.82, 20 cents away. But that would be something, and that's a thin olive. Okay, there, you can see a thick one up above there. Here's Republic Services, CIA. Actually, I always wondered about that it's in the name. Dover. Oh, dear. Okay, we've seen that. Okay, I think, here's Roku. Let's see what Roku's doing. So we're drifting back on the highs here for a while. This is 23 back here. Oh, okay. So you had to, off of this, I'm guessing that was a low. You had an olive, and then you come back. Look at this, man. It goes really fast, doesn't it? Yeah, look at this. See? It goes really fast. This is why I think you step off on these, just up again. At least lighten up a some, because it comes real fast. It comes really fast, and you still haven't convinced anyone you're over. And look at this. And here we are, finally here, a year later. Okay? I'm just saying. I didn't even realize this is a weekly chart. We were talking that long. So if you need anything, you need some levels, you need some good levels, you need some conditional trend lines that money managers follow, email me, arp@NASDOG.com. Thanks for watching. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.